How to use Zoom on Amazon Fire Tablet. First of all, you're going to want to go to the App Store on the home page here. So click on the Amazon App Store. You don't need Google Play Store for this, although if you do want to download that, there is a link in the description below, and at the end of the video there'll be an end screen with it. But once you're on the App Store, click the top right hand corner, that little magnifying glass, and then you want to type in Zoom. It should pop up there where it says Zoom, one platform to connect. Then click Get, and then it'll pop up like this where you want to click Download. Then you should wait a minute or so to download it. Once it's downloaded, click Open. You should see it on your home screen as well. Then you just want to type in your email and password for your existing Zoom account, or you can sign up if you haven't already. Then it's going to be like this. You can click New Meeting. It's going to be the same Zoom screen and Zoom features as you can use on your phone or computer, so you can do everything you want in the meeting like that here. So leave a like on the video if that helped, and subscribe for more helpful videos.